Keep it steady, she's coming out.
We got rotation, watch the chain tension now.
The corrosion on the saddle tanks is extensive.
Yes, we'll need a full abrasive blast before applying the primer.
Check the dome. The tarnish goes deep.
The saddle tank shows about 17% rust coverage here.
Yes, and look at the wheels. Almost complete failure on the red paint.
The rust coverage on the saddle tank is extensive, definitely over 70%.
Noted. How are the wheels?
Worse.
8 to 5% paint failure and heavy pitting.
This boiler is completely shot. Look at the pitting here. Yeah.
We'll need extensive plating. The corrosion is worse than expected.
This section here, the corrosion goes deep. It matches the pitting on line 42.
Confirmed. I'll tape this entire area for plating.
We need a full ultrasonic thickness test on the boiler shell.
The boiler diameter measures exactly 4 feet.
Confirmed, 4 feet. Adjusting camera angle now for the dome.
This section here shows deep pitting. Mark that as priority 1 on the checklist.
Got it. I've circled the area.
Just confirming the rust conversion held up on this section of the chassis.
Looks good. We can move forward with the primer tomorrow.
This corrosion pit here, it needs further treatment before we sign off.
I agree. I'll flag it on the macro shot and update the checklist now.
Automated by the sound of a large industrial workshop. There's the continuous hum of an HVAC.
Look at the conversion on the boiler. It's perfect.
Much better than the orange rust. We are ready for the next stage.
This section here shows severe pitting according to the data.
Understood. Logging this as zone 12 requiring panel replacement.
Good on the boiler.
Ready for structural assessment.
This spot next.
Yeah, I see it. Keep that tight.
The welds on the boiler patches look solid.
Yeah, we followed the specs exactly.
All right, let's prep for the primer coat.
The blue is perfect now, exactly the right Pantone.
And the red on the wheels matches the buffer beam.
The gloss finish is spectacular.
Truly museum quality work.
We are ready for sign off.
Almost done with the boiler.
This last buff should do it. 95 gloss units, easy.
Windows are crystal clear.
Final checks are looking good. All green on the boiler.
Wheels are torqued to spec. What a shine.
Absolutely flawless restoration.
Look at the gloss on the boiler. We hit 95 units, exactly as specified.
The reflections are absolutely stunning. Museum quality indeed. All right, team, the final verification checklist is complete. We have acceptance. Museum quality confirmed.